Look at those people. Look at the people looking at the chickens. So today we've come to the Parque de las Naciones.
Naciones.
Parque de las Naciones. Naciones? It's 4 syllables. Naciones. No, Naciones. Naciones. That's 4 syllables, isn't it?
Yeah.
So today we've come to the Parque de las Naciones.
You put an L in there.
We're from Yorkshire, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're from Yorkshire and we just say we're off to the park. Off to the park. We don't even say the, we say t. T. Like we say, is it in the tin? No, tin. So today we've come to the Parque de las Naciones.
You're putting the L in again.
Is it no L in it?
Yeah.
Naciones. Naciones. So today we've come to the Parque de la
Shall I say
You
it?
say it. So today we've come to the
Parque de las Naciones.
The what? Where the hell are we? Well, that's, for all that you were so confident you were going to get it right, weren't you? You got it in your mind, haven't you? You got it all sorted out. And then what happened?
I let myself down.
Today we've come to the
Parque de las Naciones.
Naciones, that's it. Today we've come to the Parque de las Naciones.
High five.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a fantastic place. It's big. It's 26,000 square metres in the middle of Torrevieja. And it's a very, very big attraction for tourists and locals alike. It's open from 10 till 10. It's free. And it's a great place to come for a jog.
You come here for a jog.
No, I won't come for a jog. The place is full of wildlife. There's ducks and geese, swans, pigeons, chickens, parakeets flying about in the trees. Those lovely little green budgies. It's an amazing place actually. Lovely little bird. Look, see little swallow birds. I don't know what they were.
I don't know what they're called.
But yeah, a fantastic place. It's right next to the N332 road, which is not very park friendly really, but it doesn't seem to bother the chickens, does it? The chickens still
No, well, it's all
call it the
fenced
whole.
off.
It's all fenced off, yeah. But the chickens wander about, don't they? They actually go out the
They
fence.
get out and wander about on the street.
But they come back
Yeah,
because they know where their bread's buttered, don't they?
they do.
They all get fed here. What was that?
Right.
Bloody chicken. It's on my head, look.
You'd know it were a chicken.
The lake's 6,000 square metres and it's got islands in the middle of it, which are shaped like Europe. Shaped of Europe. Oh, look at him go. I'm just seeing something there. Got any bread? In the pond, there's actually coloured carp. And there's turtles. We've seen turtles in there, haven't we? Lovely kids park area. Kids, what would you call it?
Play area.
Play area. So there's a lovely little play area for the kids. There's a big dinosaur. Do you see the big dinosaur?
Yeah, I thought you were going to go on that slide.
Oh no, I don't want to go on a
Did
slide.
you go on it?
No, I get frightened. And we're going to go for a pint now.
I know what bread we've got left.
Have we got any bread?
There's about that much left.
Oh, I love that bread. So on that note, it's time to wrap the video up.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Thumbs up if you like the video. Thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. 3, 2, 1. Bing! Adios.
Yes.
What does that remind you of?
Don't know.
Looks like an old boat to me.
Not going to be a boat.